So now discussing the clinical thermometer. So this is the glass bulb. This one mercury. Okay, and this is the capillary tube, and this one is the triangular stream, and this is the main important in a clinical thermometer. This is the kink, and one more name is the construction. Okay, and one more name is construction or kink. So this is the kink is main purpose in using in clinical thermometer. So the kink that is prevents the mercury levels. That is prevent mercury levels from falling on its own. Okay, so that's why you are mainly using in a kink in a clinical thermometer only. Okay, so that is your balance to the mercury levels. Your mainly your main purpose is that is not fell down to the very fastly. You are not fell down to the mercury level because here using the kink. Okay, so here SEMA, and here consider the scale also here present only. Okay. So here see, so this is a starting level is considered your body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius only. Yes or no? So that's why here consider the starting level is 35 degrees Celsius only. But here your all are observing in on the clinical thermometer present in a 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so there is a temperature mainly you are measuring the hotness or coldness. Yes or no? So this is consider the SI units is Kelvin or Fahrenheit only, and Celsius units is consider the that is a Celsius only. Okay, so this is Fahrenheit you are measuring on present on the clinical thermometer. Okay, so this is the 95 degrees. That is the 95 degrees are present on the triangular stream only. Okay, so here starting level is considered the 95, and next is the 98, next 100, next 110, that is 104. Okay, 100. And 110, 108, 110, and so on. You are consider the you are present on the scale. Okay, so your body temperature, your automatically your starting mercury levels is consider the your body temperature is the 37 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit is considered the 98.6 in Fahrenheit only. Okay, degree of Fahrenheit. So that's why your mercury level consider the 98 level. Okay, your starting present is below the 98. So first year, for suppose you are using the clinical thermometer, first you are cleaning the thermometer after using to anybody. Okay, first you are cleaning the thermometer after using the this one. Okay, so this is the so here consider the starting level is considered the mercury level is 98 below only. Okay, 98 level. Okay, starting is considered the 98, and automatically here starting is the 95. So you're keeping your mouth automatically that is increasing the mercury level. So automatically that is considered the 98 is the your body temperature, and 100 is considered the fever, and 102, 101, 104 is considered the that is the heavy fever levels only. Okay, you are understood, ma? Okay. glass tube is present, and constructions is mainly important in a chemical thermometer, and one more name is the king, and next is the capillary tube, and next that is the triangular of stream. That is next this is the mercury only. Okay, and the mercury starting level is considered the 95 degrees Fahrenheit, and in Celsius consider the your body temperature is a 37 degrees Celsius. That's why you are considered the starting in a 35 started 35 to 42 degree Celsius only. Okay, so that is the temperature is between your consider your body temperature level is a 35 to 45. That's why you are consider on the screen using the scale is level is a 35 to 42 degrees Celsius. Okay, and next thing is so here see this is a capillary tube. Before already discussing the heat energy, yes or no? So one small experiment, that is one small activity is discussing now. Now discussing the one small activity for that is the heat energy only. Okay, so you keep in mind now that is a capillary tube only. Okay, so this is the using in a that type of the using in a heat energy that is the expansion of the heat energy due to the heat. Okay, that is the expansion of the heat of the liquid. Expansion of the liquid due to heat. So now discussing the one small activity for heat energy. Okay, so here see ma. First you are take the one flask. Okay, and filling the color water. This is the filling the color water. This is the color water. Okay, and next thing is here carefully that is close the using in a one rubber cap and keep in one before one you remember to the capillary tube. So here arrange to the one capillary tube. Okay, so automatically that color water is moving into the tube only. Yes or no? So you are identified to the that level. First you are just you are identified to the one marker. Okay, and next this flask is keeping in a warm water. So warm water means here given to the some heat energy only. Yes or no? So this is the warm water. So this flask is keeping in the warm water. So just you are carefully observing the color water level. Okay. So starting here, you are keeping the one marker. Yes or no ma? So this is keeping in a warm water. This is the capillary tube. Okay, so this is the water level. Color water. This is the color water. So first starting you are identified to the marker, that is the color water is moving some level on. Okay, so you are identified to the starting marking is this one only. Okay, this is the first level. Okay, next you are keeping in a hot water only. That flask keeping in a hot water. So automatically that heat is flows from to the another system. Yes or no? So this is the hot water. So you are absorbed to the flask. Yes or no? So absorb the flask means that is the heat absorbed means this is automatically boiling the water inside. That is the color water is the boiling. Yes or no? So water boiling means that is the form to the water vapor. Yes or no? That water vapor is moving into the upward direction. Yes or no? So you are carefully you are identifying the color water level. So automatically that is rising to the color waters. Yes or no? You are understood, ma'am? First starting here, just you take the flask and you are filling the color water and keeping one capillary tube and just you are identify to the starting level of the color water. And next thing is, next point is this flask is keeping in a warm water. So automatically that is heat is absorbed to the color water. That is because that is transferred to the one system to another system. Yes or no? That is the heat is transferred to the hot to cold. Okay. So automatically that is absorb the color water means that is boiling the color water. So boiling the color water after form to the water vapor. So water vapor is moving to the upward direction. Just here carefully you are identify to the water level. Okay. So this is the second level only. Yes or no? So this is the warm water and here keep in the outside. That is just here first starting arrange to the system and next keeping in the warm water. And next thing is this bowl is keeping in cold water. This is the hot water only. Next this flask is keeping in cool water. Okay. And same thing again you are same identify to the color water levels. Okay. Okay, so gradually you are decreasing the color water levels. Just you are observing the here cold water now. Okay, so starting level is considered the first point and second is after keeping warm water is rising the color water level is considered the second point. And next thing is you are keeping cold water. So automatically that is this is the second point only na. This is the first point. Yes or no? So that is color water gradually decreasing. That is moving in a downward direction. Why? That is before you are considered this is the water is the considered the warm water. Yes or no? Because here heat is transfer. That is a flow from to the another system. Yes or no? So automatically there is a color water also boiling. Yes or no? So that water is keeping in cold water. So automatically that heat is that is color water heat is transferred to the cold water. Yes or no? So that heat is transferred to the cold. So automatically your water that is color water level is gradually moving in a downward direction. So finally you are considered the same level. Okay, and maybe in moving in downward direction also no problem. In a situation based. Okay, so here see ma. So this is the heat is transferred to the system, that is the flask, and here flask to the water. Okay, that is the transfer to the flask to water. So that's why heat energy is transferred to the one system to another system. Okay, so heat is also one of the energy. So you are understood, ma?